Yeah, my boys, welcome to another video. Here you guys see a signal just to pop up. We open the trade. Let's wait for a spike. The arrow signal is for spike. We are waiting for spike. Stop loss is max 3 candles, 4 candles. Look at it, guys. Awesome, guys. This is what I want to show you. This is the power. We posted this signal in our VIP group on Telegram. This is the power of system, guys. Once the signal appears, definitely it goes spike. Look here, guys. This is the power of special spike system. Unique, powerful, reliable, sniper, non-repeat, true signal indicator. Is the perfect system for trade boom and crash spikes. Against boom and crash, this is for spike, especially for spike 2024 updated version. If you guys want to have this system, want to have this tool, chat with our team. Guys will help you to install, help you to have this system. Check the description, chat with our team. If still have you any question, any queries, you guys may ask us. We are here to help you. Maybe some people need a test signal, so please check the description. Join our Telegram channel free. We post daily a big lot signal from this system, and also we attach the system photos so you guys understand what's true and what's false. Thank you.